Tommy Carping. Real fishing for real people.
Right, mate. It's just me being a knob.
You've just left him on there with no.
No.
Oh yeah, welcome to the vid. Just got back from making it. It's something a bit different. It's an automated fish feeder, unboxing, setting up and testing. To be fair, I had a right laugh putting it up and testing it. And it's for fisheries, but the amount of bait I've seen some of you anglers put in, some of you could probably do with it as well. But yeah, I hope you enjoy the vid as much as I enjoyed making it. First, we opened up the box and there's a motor and a bucket. Also, we've got a barrel, recycled barrel, to attach the motor to via the plate. Lined up the top of the motor, drilled some holes and fitted the frame. Next, we had to take it off and cut a hole in the middle for the pellets to come through. We did this using a hole saw. Took a couple of seconds, just being careful, cutting through the bottom of the barrel. But yeah, got the hole sorted for the pellets to come through into the hopper. The next step was attaching the motor to the plate via the screws there, the wing nuts, and opening the bucket to find the timer and a battery included. We thought we'd give it a little test, so we walked it over, put some pellets in and gave it a little test. As you can see, it's got quite a good spraying radius. Let's wait for the timer to come on. As you can see, the radius is pretty good.
Mate, they're coming out at some ferocity. They want to stick me in the chest. I got you falling in the lake once on a beam. I'm going to get you in another one. You have to get all the gear on there and go over.
Next, it's time to set up the timer. So I adjusted the time to 3:09 just by pressing the hour button till it adjusted. Checking when the timer was coming on, which was set to 8 and 4, which was good. Scrolled through the others, but then we decided that we wanted it on again, a third one at 10 PM. So set it to 10 PM, press program, set it to 10 seconds and then scroll through. Once the timer was set, the bucket was sealed back up. The gear was then loaded into the boat and the guys headed on over to start fitting the feeder. Two stakes were then hammered into the ground, screws put through them. Stability was checked and then it was filled with pellet for a quick radius test on the island.
Stand the boat up.
Take cover. Yeah, it's good. They're going over there as well, out the reeds. Look, that's sound that.
It's better to be safe than sorry. Another stake was then added, put into the ground and screwed in just for a bit of stability if we have any storm conditions or turbulent weather.
You put the lid back on that bucket. You probably touched the bottom of it there and just...
Right, mate. It's just me being a knob.
You've just left him on there with a hook.
No!
Did you even realise you'd done that?
No, genuinely not.
I grabbed it to pull the boat in.
Oh,
Mate, you just...
genuinely. Just worried about myself as well.
I grabbed it to pull the boat into the side. I'm going to put that thing in this, you know, when it says a few moments later. Grab the boat.
Then all that was left to do was wait for 4 p.m. So we did another couple of little jobs around, and then 4 p.m. come and this happened. So yeah, happy days, job done. AJS Fisheries fish feeder, good bit of kit, had fun installing it, had a good time, yeah. If you're not subscribed, a lot of me viewers ain't, give us a little subscribe please, and I hope you enjoyed watching it, because I enjoy making the videos. So yeah, thank you, hopefully see you in the next one.